completed this end of the job. Now we will reverse the job. This finished surface of the job we will hold in chuck, and we'll start this operation. We'll start the operation for this part. Now we are going for taper turning at the other end. Remove the job from the chuck. Hold the finished part in chuck to do operation at other end. Again, Prashant sir is using these lines as a reference to set the job, to true the job. We have reduced the speed of chuck for next operation, which is metal cutting, rough metal cutting. You can see the job is not moving concentrate. We have to true this job again, set this job again, stop the machine, loose this jaw, tight this jaw, loose jaw number 2, then tight the jaw number 4, final tightening. The job is very much concentrate, it is acceptable, wobbling. Now one point I have to mention over here, when we true the job initially, we use this rough surface for truing. Now we have reversed the job, we have hold finish surface in chuck. Now you have to true not this diameter, you have to true this diameter, this finish diameter, because now we are going to turn this side, this end of the job. We have to turn this end accordingly this finish diameter. So axis of this diameter should match with the axis of this finished diameter. So when you are placing, we are checking with surface gauge, don't check the wobbling over here, check the wobbling over here at finished surface. It is very much uniform, it is very much uniform and within tolerance. If it is wobbling but it is not wobbling more than 0.1, which is our given tolerance. जब हमने इनिशियली जॉब ट्रू किया था तब थोड़ा सा आउट जॉब घूमना एक्सेप्टेबल है, बिकॉज वाइल कटिंग वो अपने आप ट्रू हो जाता है. बट हियर व्हेन यू आर डूइंग टर्निंग ऑपरेशन एट अदर एंड ऑफ द जॉब, you have to true this finish job and you have to true the job with accuracy and it should be within tolerance which is 0.1. अगर ये डायमीटर जितना आउट होगा, जितना वोबल करेगा, उतनी इसेंट्रिसिटी ये सरफेस के डायमीटर में आने वाली है. सो आपको दिस डायमीटर, दिस सरफेस यू हैव टू ट्रू with more accuracy, at least 0.1 mm, which is our given tolerance. You can see by naked eye, I can see it is much more uniform. Okay, we'll go for the taper turning operation. Initially we will cut this diameter at 32 mm, which was our previous diameter we cut before. To start turning, before start turning we'll do facing operation first. Complete the facing operation. The slantness of the face has been removed. take one finished cut for time being. Increase the speed of machine. This is better finished cut, which will help us to have accurate measurement. The facing is completed. Now we will go for plane turning first. After having plane turning, after achieving the diameter by 32 mm, we will go taper turning. Set the tool angle for plane turning. Start the plane turning. Reduce the speed because we are going to cut metal fast. The same operation we are repeating at this end again. We'll try to achieve same diameter at this end also. Check the existing diameter.
33.
It is 33. That means 1 mm more than required. When we took our last cut, the dial was at 70 position. Now our job is more by 1 mm. To cut that extra 1 mm diameter, we have to move 20 graduation against these fixed graduations. 20 graduations means one dimension is equal to 0.05 into 20 dimension graduations is equal to 1 mm. Initially we'll give 10 division cut, that means 0.5 mm cut. We will reduce our diameter by 0.5 initially, then again we will take another 0.5 mm cut.
Speed वाढवू
Increase the speed. These two cuts will be our final finishing cut. Stop the machine. Set the remaining cut of 0.5 mm. Start the machine. Start the cut. Stop the machine and check the dimension.
32.
The dimension is 32. That what we require. We will stop here and see the taper turning operation on the same job, and we'll complete this job in next session. We started this job approximately 1 hour before, and further half an hour operation is pending, which is taper turning. We haven't done taper turning and we haven't set the length of the job yet. So two measurement we have to achieve over here. One is the length of the job and other the taper turning, the minor diameter of the job.